Hi! Today it's another day of LootCrate unboxing! Yes! Yes! So I have absolutely no idea what the theme is. I never look it up. So it's gonna be interesting. So let's dive right in. Yes! A t-shirt! And it's green. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. It's pretty wrinkled, but it's the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Yes. It goes lovely with my red hair. Oh yeah, by the way, I dyed my hair. Oh my god, look! I don't know if you could tell before, but it has like little designs on it, like they're turtle shells. Oh my god, that is so cool. Alright, what else do we have here? A Rick and Morty. Oh, the box dropped. Stay! It's a box within a box. Oh, that is so cool. I have yet to actually watch this, but I really want to. It seems pretty funny. And I mean, like, it's mad scientists. Like, what could go wrong? The Bob's Burgers box. Or the Bob's Burgers burger box. Sorry. What? I have to use this twice in one video? What? I don't even know how to... I hate this, like, cling film stuff. Can never quite, like, get at it. I'm trying to go fast because my camera's about to die. Oh, this is so cool. It's a joke. It's a recipe book for all the burgers that they have. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so funny. I might actually try to make a few. Again, I have never watched the show, but I mean, it looks hilarious, and I'm already in love with Tina. Like, she is my spirit animal. This is a show that I've actually watched. I haven't watched, like, every single episode, but I've watched quite a few. I really like it. It's like a couple of beer cozies, I guess. And it says Slurp'em? Slurm, that's what it says, Slurm. They're really cool. They smell a little funky though. Like that plasticky smell from the ear necklace soap thing. And this month's theme is animations, and look at how freaking cute. Oh my god, this is so funny. Don't judge my nails. Okay, so that is it for this month. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.